In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to N8N. Start by signing into your N8N account and open an existing workflow or click Create Workflow to start a new one. Next, click the plus button to add a new node and search for Google Sheets. After that, select the Google Sheets node and add it to your workflow. Now click Credentials, then select Create New Credential. Next, choose Google Sheets OAuth 2 API and click Connect to begin the authorization process. After that, sign into your Google account and grant N8N permission to access your Google Sheets. Now return to N8N and confirm that the new credential has been connected successfully. Next, choose the operation you want the node to perform, such as read rows, append row, update row, or get spreadsheet. After that, select your spreadsheet and worksheet from the available list, or paste the spreadsheet ID if needed. Now configure the remaining fields based on your workflow and map any incoming data to the appropriate spreadsheet columns. Next, click Test Step or Execute Node to verify that N8N can successfully communicate with your Google Sheet. Finally, save your workflow and activate it so your Google Sheets integration runs automatically whenever the workflow is triggered. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Google Sheets to N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.